How to share someone's story on Instagram without being tagged. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to share someone's story on Instagram without being tagged. So let's begin. So just a disclaimer, you may not be able to share someone else's story on Instagram without being tagged. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So to do that, make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and make sure to update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, you may open Instagram and go to that story that you want to repost. So for example, I will choose this one. So what you're going to do right here is to take a screenshot of this post. So for iPhone users, you may go to your assistive touch, go to devices, go to more, and take a screenshot of this story. So on Android devices, you may also screenshot this story and post it to your stories later on. And now you might be wondering, what if this story is in a video format? So what I would recommend is to use the screen recording app. So for iPhone, we are lucky because we have a built-in screen recording app. So you just simply go to your settings, look for screen recording, and start screen recording. So you may screen record the story which is on a video format, and then cut it a little bit or edit it on your photos or whichever video editing app that you want, and then repost it on your story. So that's it. That's how you can share someone's story on Instagram without being tagged.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.